This is me, diving in the Indian Ocean in South Africa. But how did I get here? Let's scratch back. I traveled from Cameroon to South Africa for a dive training sponsored by NEWF, a South African NGO, and we were being trained at the Sea Explore Dive Center in Sodwana Bay, KwaZulu-Natal. Many persons have been wanting to know how a dive training looks like, so let me give you a sneak peek through this video.
Jared, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready to go play with the waves?
Yeah, so excited, man.
When we arrived at the Sea Explore Dive Center, we first set out to identify the diving gears we would be comfortable in. We then proceeded to a general orientation. And then we had to get into the pool, so the instructors could assess how comfortable we were with water.
See now, who are saying they can swim? We are going to see.
What has it been? Okay, so there will be a time that I'll ask you guys just to get in the water, just to do some swimming practices.
For the swimming test, we were asked to float 10 minutes and then do a 200-meter yard surface swim. After the swimming test, we proceeded to the dive training proper, and as you can see here, our dive instructor began by orientating us on the different scuba diving gears like the BC.
And then after that, then we're gonna get into the water with the gear. So yeah, that's my fun.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So today we're getting in the water.
Yeah, we're going to go under the water. There's scuba gear.
The pool is basically the playground before heading into the ocean. As a dive trainee, you have to start using the gears and perform your skills in the pool before entering the ocean. This is the day of our first ocean dive. I was super excited and scared at the same time. We left our lodge first to Sea Explore. Before going to the beach, everyone has to check and prepare their diving gears and put them in the tractor.
609, we have 609. Just check, yeah, 609.
609, yeah. No, well, when it's all the way first when you get it in.
Okay.
I'll hand out everything on the one and you guys.
Yeah, okay, let me bring now these suits.
No, she goes into the blue drums there.
Okay, the boot drums.
Yeah, blue drums.
We're heading to the ocean today. It's the ocean day today.
What a view.
Here's the ocean, guys! To the ocean.
Whoa!
It's beautiful, huh? Yeah?
This is so surreal.
Ocean! Yeah! Like it's getting more and more real.
Yes.
Getting real every day. This is beautiful. Let's go and see how it is down there, huh? Let's beat fear, bye-bye.
When we reached the beach, we had to put on our swimsuits while waiting for our gears to be transferred from the tractor to the boat, and you equally have to sign a waiver form.
Surname there and then you sign the line number. much.
When you reach the boat, you have to sit beside your BC so it will be easy to identify and put it on when it is time to jump in. The boat moves on to a particular place in the ocean that is suitable for diving. Then everyone puts on their gears and dives into the ocean. So this was my first dive. At first I panicked, I was really tensed, but after a while I struggled to gain some composure so I can enjoy the beauty around me. I didn't succeed in completing my dive training and certification, but I hope to be a certified diver one day, because if we have to fight for the protection of the ocean and its species, then we ought to see what we are fighting for, and I hope to get the opportunity to see more. See you again, ocean!